This beautiful creature arises on many surfaces. You can find them on rubber, wood, MDF, chipboard, Trespa, PVC or aerated concrete. During his fight against the materials, he stays cool under all circumstances. Due to the rapid removal of chips and dust, this beautiful piece of technology demolishes his prey up to 5 times faster compared to its competitors. Thanks to his click and drill system, he can spit out his prey, saw at extreme angles, enlarge existing holes, and quickly change diameters. In addition, he lives twice as long and digs up to 500 holes in his lifespan. With his hard metal teeth, he bites through everything he encounters. Whilst many have tried to imitate its traits, he remains the undisputed lord and master of construction. We are, of course, talking about the Profit Multipurpose.